Back in the summer of 2019, I was looking for a way to keep myself accountable for learning to code that I was trying to do to better myself and push myself forward in my career. I wasn't sure what the outcome was going to be, but I started this channel way back then. I think the first video went out in October. I continued to post and I continued to learn as much as I could. And the things that I found were what I was actually using the code for in my day job at the time were the things that people were most interested in. That was the automation and the web scraping. Fast forward to now, this channel has just rolled over 100,000 subscribers. And that's something that I just never thought would ever be happening, and I just never thought it would be achievable. So I'm very grateful for that. But that puts me in a bit of a position now because I've been doing this for so long of where I take this next. So actually what happened was around Christmas, I started to consider my options regarding my day job, because obviously throughout the whole of this I've had a separate day job. So I used some of the contacts I've made from this YouTube channel and reached out to some people, and now eventually I got some interviews, and now I've just started within the last month working as the developer engagement manager at Zeit. So this is a very exciting step for me because personally, it's growth, it's working within an industry which I'm familiar with and I enjoy. And so far I'm being paid to talk about web scraping and create content, which is fantastic. So where does that leave this channel within that? Well, when I was joining, I was very clear, and I think we were all in agreement that I still wanted to keep my channel here going. I wanted to keep creating content that you guys have been watching and enjoying, and I wanted to keep it unbiased, as in my own opinion. So as far as going forward is concerned, there's going to be no real changes to this channel. You'll just see me popping up in other channels if you're part of those ones, and I'll be more abreast everything going on in the web scraping industry because I'll be working within it. I can think this is only going to be beneficial to this channel because as I get more exposure to these things, new things that happen, I'll be, my knowledge will grow, and things that I'll be able to share on this channel will only get better. So I'm actually looking forward to the future here, going ahead, working within Zeit as my day job, and also sharing things that I continue to share things rather in this channel that I have done so far. So I just wanted to update everybody because I realized I've been a bit of a hiatus for creating content recently, but I've got a lot in the works. I've got things that I'll be creating that I'll be posting up again shortly. But I just wanted to put this update out there. So yeah, thanks very much to everybody who supported me so far. It means a lot to me, and this channel really has got me so far in my career and my personal life as well, and has taught me so much. So yeah, very grateful for that. So 2025 and onwards, still creating content here, still going to be web scraping. It's still going to be the same things that I love and that I know about. But my knowledge is only going to increase because I'm now working permanently in the industry. Thank you very much, everyone, and I will see you in my next video, which should be out in a week.